Some of the most popular cryptocurrencies in this space are tokens based off L1s or L2s like Stacks or like Solana, which is an L1. Well, Crypto.com's Cronos team launched a Cronos chain as well, a competitive L1. And I want to take you guys through the history of this and why I believe that CRO Coin, otherwise known as Cronos, can easily hit $2 in this bull market, in my opinion. This is not financial advice. This is my opinion. I want to take you guys through some of the big stories on this today, look at the immediate price action for this coin, and some of the recent exciting growth that has been coming for this ecosystem. The Cronos chain gets a bad rap for being a, quote, dead chain, but there is a basic fact that everybody that FUDs this project seems to forget. And it's glaring and it's obvious. And honestly, it leaves me very bullish for Crypto.com to be a competitor to many L1s, but specifically Binance, guys. And that is why I stay very bullish on this project. I see the progress of this. We're going to look at this today. Welcome to the Crypto Report. I'm Crypto Kip. This is a video about CRO Coin, so buckle up. Let's get into it, guys. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. Today, cryptocurrencies are down, but Bitcoin's trying to mount a recovery. We went as low as $62,000. Bitcoin's back to 65 right now at the time of this recording. And the Cronos coin has creeped back up and taken its rank back in the top 30 right now at 30. It was at 29 just recently. And if you look at what's going on in this market right now, you see a lot of double-digit losers over the last 7 days. And you know what? CRO Coin's holding on pretty darn well right now at 10% over the last week, down, but up 10% today. Not too shabby. Right now, it's trying to reclaim 13 cents. But a lot of people don't know the history of Crypto.com. This was started by Chris and some of the other teams, some of the other folks that founded Monaco back in 2016. And they wanted to create bank cards that could be topped up with cryptocurrencies. Well, anyway, there was an ICO, the Monaco cards came out, and then they had a big rebranding and officially bought the domain name Crypto.com and became what we know today as Crypto.com. And they integrated the cards within this, and the very popular Visa cards for Crypto.com are still very successful today. You can stake your CRO coins to earn rewards and cash back when you spend this Visa card, which you can easily top up with cryptocurrencies. But then the Cronos chain is launched, and this is what I want to focus on, guys, and people forget this. They launched the testnet in 2021 in July, but they actually launched the Cronos chain mainnet in 2021. Well, when was 2021 in relative to the crypto bull market? Well, guys, the facts are facts. November of 2021, you can't see it at the bottom of my screen, but this peak right here is November of 2021. So what I'm telling you guys is this chain became very successful at that time. This token, Crypto.com's CRO Coin, went to highs along, and this is the overall market cap, along with the overall market cap. The whole crypto market peaked, and the successful momentum behind the Cronos chain at the peak of the bull market launch was completely wiped out, and every other chain came down. The overall crypto market came down 76% to the bottom, and so most of the excitement in this space vanished completely. The Cronos chain came down a little bit, but maintained a very high ranking. In fact, it was a top 10 chain through most of the bear market. And only recently, in the last year, has it come and actually gotten replaced by some other other L1s out there. Right now, Cronos chain is ranked number 14 in all of total value locked up in the entire DeFi ecosystem. Ethereum being number 1, Tron number 2, Binance Smart Chain, a major competitor to the L1 solution from Crypto.com. Cronos' chain is number 3. We see Base and Solana is up there as well. And I do believe that Cronos is going to be a major contender, and we're seeing steps in the right direction. For example, Crypto.com is applying for regulatory licenses and expanding to a variety of countries. And also, they recently got into Dubai, and the first ever virtual asset service provider to get a license like this in Dubai. This is very huge. This is for institutional investors at this point, but my point is guys, as more people download the Crypto.com app or use the Crypto.com exchange and learn about the Crypto.com app, learn about the Visa cards, and then learn that Cronos, the Cronos coin, has its own L1 chain, it may be a very popular play for people, just like the Binance token and Binance Smart Chain. Binance's token is still number 4, guys. It is a major exchange. It has like 180 million users versus Crypto.com's 80 million users. But Crypto.com is definitely competing in this space from an advertising perspective, from a partnership perspective, from getting into from a regulatory perspective, getting into a variety of different countries out there. Binance has an $83 billion market cap, guys. Cronos Coin currently has a $3.4 billion market cap. If Cronos was to take the market cap of Binance today, it would be above $3. Well, how do we do that? We need to see the Cronos chain grow. It does have 255K followers on Twitter. They are growing. Again, this thing launched, the Twitter page, in July. The actual mainnet launched in the peak of a bull market, and all the excitement went to the wayside. And so when people call Cronos a dead chain, I think they're misinformed. The entire crypto community died in a bear market, and we're just coming back, and we are seeing some good growth. In fact, we're seeing new things come to Cronos. Shout out to the WolfSwap dApp within Cronos, which was actually officially listed in the Crypto.com DeFi app, which I think more people are going to use as more people find out about DeFi on the Cronos chain and the Crypto.com DeFi wallet, which is so easy to use. But the WolfSwap app is awesome. It is an aggregator that brings in VVS, Bay, which has its own DEX now, Candy Swap, which has its own board from Board Candy. There's some other ones out there as well within, and the CRODEX as well within Cronos. And this is taking the best prices from all these different decentralized exchanges within Cronos and putting them in one place. They've even got an airdrop coming for some of the users that are using this product. Here's a look at the swap tool. It's very simple, very easy, kind of like a Jupiter. There's a leaderboard where they're going to give rewards, actually airdrops, to leaders that are actually earning points by trading on this platform, kind of trying to copy the success of what we saw with a Jupiter. They've got 7,000 followers. It's small, but my point here is, guys, is that there's more developments coming to the space. They're learning how to try to grow this ecosystem. I've seen the Cronos chain as well introducing things for launching meme tokens, doing a variety of partnerships. And Tectonic is getting in and listing the new USC token from Orbi Network. And there's a lot of development and airdrops coming for Orbi soon. All things you want to see. As for the meme tokens, CROB recently got listed on Crypto.com, and a lot of tokens got listed in the Crypto.com DeFi app recently. An exchange listing soon is coming for the Crow with Knife token, which is very exciting, which is the most organic community token in the Cronos space right now with the most growth, should I say. CROB is certainly up there as well, has a much bigger market cap, was launched by VVS themselves. We saw Ryoshi, which was launched by Bay, Ryoshi with Knife, kind of a compliment to the Crow with Knife meme that was launched that had so much success. We're seeing steps in the right direction, guys. Really, there's a lot of growth happening in this, and what you need to see in order for the Cronos chain to come up is you need to see more development going on. The more that this can grow in the ranks and the more people can start using the Cronos chain, the more that the Cronos coin can perform, folks. Right now, it is hanging on versus Bitcoin. We broke out of a wedge and are trying to recover now on this next daily green candle. This could just be a fake out. What I think happened in the broader crypto market was a lot of longs were liquidated. Guys, I'm going to zoom in a little bit on the Bitcoin chart, and I just want you guys to zoom out when you're fearful in this space. Yes, Bitcoin did break out of this wedge to the downside, but this is likely a liquidation grab. Could we reject down here, guys, and come lower? Absolutely. We've been talking about a Bitcoin halving crash for months and months and months on this channel. We are expecting it. If we get a gift of a dip, I will continue to buy this dip. There's a chance Bitcoin and crypto could cool off for 2 to 3 months, maybe even more. Regardless, my personal strategy has been to accumulate the projects that I like the most throughout this bull market, and then I will stop putting new funds in the fall. The CRO Coin token versus the dollar has bounced beautifully off the 12-cent level, just like I've been talking about. I've had this red line drawn for a while. This is actually great to see. The bodies of these candles close much higher than these previous dips we had. We could recover back up to the upside. This could have just been a liquidity grab, but I am very bullish on Cronos, guys. Why? Because I think it's one of the biggest competitors when it comes to an L1 launched by an exchange next to Binance. I think that the Binance market cap is a sign of things that are to come, not to mention the CEO of Binance was having legal problems. He had to step down. They have a new CEO in for Binance as well. The regulatory standpoint for Crypto.com and Cronos seems to be good, and the community is starting to grow, get some meme coin mania going on off the back of the Solana meme coin mania, the base chain meme coin mania as well. If you like this video and you want more content like it, smash that like button for me, subscribe to the channel, leave me a comment down below what your thoughts are. I think a $2 crow is easy. Do you? Let me know in comments down below. That's all I got on this one, guys. Don't forget, as always, to DCA HODL, and I'll see you in the next one. I got 2 videos for you right here if you want to check them out, y'all. See you next time. Peace.